Let's go for a motorcycle ride, my friends. Let's do some training, have something nice to eat, and enjoy the most beautiful sunset. It's time to leave the house, so let's get ready. The sky looking good. It's a good chance for a nice sunset. It's a good start. I'm not very good with editing videos, so I'm gonna talk over it and I'm gonna tell you what's happening and what we are riding. But first, just take a listen to this beautiful two-stroke I have right here. Before we go on this ride, let's check the tire pressure, let's put fuel in the bike, and also we need to take a look at this two-stroke machine and let's see in more detail what we are riding today. For those of you that do not understand what I'm doing right here, this is a two-stroke motorcycle, so that means we have to mix oil with fuel so the engine gets lubricated. In my case, we are gonna use 30 milliliters of oil for every liter of gasoline. Well, kind of. I had to eyeball it because I was running out of oil, but what's life without a little bit of risk? Okay, now let's take a look at the bike. It's a Cagiva Mito 125 two-stroke. It comes very well equipped, Marzocchi suspension, Brembo full braking system. I have the Diablo Rosso 2 tires on it. I haven't got the chance to break them in yet. Full aero exhaust. It has a decent number of modification, but it still needs some cylinder work. We also have a few scratches on it. Aftermarket clip-ons, rental grips, aftermarket steering damper. Don't mind the zip tie holding the brake lever on. What's life without a little risk? Like I said, RPM gauge and temp gauge is all we need. It has a custom paint job and it's very, very fun to ride. You really need to push it to the maximum to get some power out of it, but that means it's very hard to get in trouble. Also, the chicken strips. You know, I haven't had the chance to take it on the twisties yet. It's still brand new tires, okay? And we are not gonna push it very hard today as well because I'm not wearing my gear and the road we are driving today, it's very slippery. Like I said, very good bike, well equipped from the factory. Now, let's find this road. While we are in this village and we are driving slow, let me tell you about the road we are driving on today. They used to hold hill climb events when I was a kid. It was very fun. It's very slippery road. You cannot push it very hard on a motorcycle, especially on a motorcycle. So we are gonna be careful today. Oops, my hand slipped, I promise. But that doesn't mean we cannot do a proper start. Okay, so let's find where the starting point used to be. That's right here, and let's do a proper start and let's enjoy this road. here is where the finish line used to be. So we are gonna take it slow from now. We still have a little bit to go until we find this place to watch the sunset. So enjoy the rest of the ride. Have arrived. Look at this view. It does look beautiful, but not very promising. A lot of clouds. So let's get the training going, and then we can have our first meal for today. And in the meantime, maybe the gods will be good to us today and will give us a very nice sunset to watch together. Maybe if we train shirtless and flex a little bit, you know, a double bicep pose, will make the sun come out as well. You know, maybe sometimes the sun needs something to watch as well. You know, we are always looking at the sunset, but what is the sun looking at? So that's why I'm training shirtless today. Enjoy. No wonder people say I'm arrogant. This is gonna be my first meal today, and the day is almost over, so I'm very, very hungry. It's gonna taste so good, and that's why you see me smiling, having this food. I do enjoy eating once per day sometimes. Having that hunger and waiting all day for that food is like a nice reward, and you enjoy the food so much more. But the sun is not out still, so I promised you the best sunset ever. I know another place, and we are going there right now. So just relax, I'm gonna deliver. This is the place. I need you to be patient right now. This sunset is gonna be something else, I promise you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.